All right, good morning. Today is March 3rd, 2025. We have to stop. I have to stop doing this. So I wanted to make a video last night to explain what I was going to start doing this whole March. I'll be back testing the entire March, collecting data on the overnight open price. I can tell you where I got that from, but it's self-explanatory. Overnight open. It is the prior day. Let's say today is Monday. Well, today is Monday. So the opening price Sunday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Another example, let's say it's Wednesday. After the market close, it reopens back up on at 6 p.m. The opening price that it opens back up, the opening price at 6 p.m. is this price that I'm referring to, the overnight open. Not to be confused with the midnight price. I know some traders use that, but I'm referring to once the session ends, or once the session starts. The opening price when the session starts is the overnight open price. So I'm looking for a reject, or I'm looking for a price to bounce off of it. So this morning I took a trade. Let's do this. Okay, so we had news at 10. Can I do this? There was news at 10. Let's do this. Ain't gonna be able to do it. I'm on free trial because I'm using Apex. I'm using prop firm, so I don't have to pay for the data on TradingView. So that's why it's saying that I can. Anyway, if you go back and look on my community tab, you can see that I passed a Apex combine, and I've been trading this funded account. I'm actually waiting for approval. I put in for a payout on Friday. I'm waiting for approval now. Anyway, and it only took me 8 days. I have to make another video about it. Let's stay focused. So again, the overnight open price is the opening price once the session reopens at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That'll be this right here. So this 21, if you look at my cursor over here on the right, 21, this white line, 21,005 and a quarter was the opening price. Can do you one better. Let's scroll back. I could have went on a higher time frame and did this, but okay, cool. See, we have March right here. The date at the bottom says Sunday the 2nd, March 25 at 6 p.m. And if you look up here, you'll see, oh, this is opening, high, well, open, high, low, close. I'm looking at the O, the opening price. I go to this candle, the opening price is here. You can see that it says 21,005 and a quarter. And you look over here, 21,005 and a quarter. Cool, so that's where I got the price from. And I'll also show you where I got this line here from too, because it's gonna come into I'll explain. That was London low. This line here is London low. The price 20887 and 3/4 was London low. It's right here. That's where I got this from. Okay. So these two lines, overnight open, London low. Let's zoom out a little bit. Look at how we're respected. Wow. Okay, so the market opened at 9:30. This is how it looked. The market opened up at 9:30. I have to I gotta get a little ghetto with it because like I said, I'm using Apex. I don't have the anyway. So I'm on a 1 minute chart. I do all this on a 1 minute chart. Okay. Here's 932. This candle here is 932. Price goes up. Let's do this. Price goes up. Close back in. Comes down. And it pierces here. Now so we're here. If we would look for price to pierce this line, which it did right here. It pierced, the candle pierced this line, and we would take a trade one tick above the high of this candle. So the high of this candle is over here, the H. So we'll have a limit order at 21042 and a quarter. We'll have a limit order here, and we'll just take the break up to this high, or whatever swing is close, but that'll be the lowest hanging fruit. Zooming out. Yep. So we'll take it back up here from where it came. So let's see what happened. Now, right here, invalidate any longs because price closed below the overnight open price. So now we wait again. Now here we will be looking for shorts because price is below the overnight open price. So let's watch. We're going to wait for a retest. So we have the break and we're looking for a retest. A break and retest. Let's see. Retest meaning you'll see. Most people know what it is, but you'll see. Watch this. Still below. Here it is coming to retest that level, meaning tap the level, engage with that level. Inside candle goes lower. Let's move this. Price goes lower. Inside candle creates a swing low. Getting close. Price pierced it. Price pierced it at 947. We have news at 10. So 15 minutes from now, that's up to you if you wanna me, I took it. But based on your risk, you have to accept the volatility that comes with it. You have to accept the volatility that comes with it because price can do whatever it want to do. Prior to news, it can consolidate. It can shoot one way or the other. You just don't know. That's why it's good to trade with stops. But anyway, price pierced it. So we will be looking for the break below this candle that pierced it. The opposite of this. We look for the break above the high. So we're looking for the break below the low of this candle, which is here, the L. 20981 even. So our order would be 20979.75. Right? No. Yeah. No, it'd be my bad. It'd be 2980 and 3/4. So just one tick, just remember it's one tick above going long and one tick below going short. You set your order below this low. Let's see what happened. And then you would set your stop above this candle's high. Let's see what happened. You would be in because this low, what's the low of this candle here? The low of this candle is 977.5. So that means you already was, let's do the math. Come here, 7, let's just say 78, 8, 19, 11. 3 points already with this candle from your entry. So your entry will be below here, and you would already be up at the, once it hit the low, you will be already up 3 points. Let's just watch. Now our target would be, the low hanging fruit would be here, this swing low. That will be, the low will be 937 and a quarter. But I treat this as a swing. We're gonna go to the London low. I'm looking for a bigger move. We're going to the London low. So that's what my target would be. That's what my target was. So let's go back. Pierce, entry one tick below here. Let's let price do what it's gonna do. We're in on this candle. Stop will be above this candle. You can even leave a little buffer room. Look what happened. So let's do the math. I have my phone. Let's do the math. So from your entry here, which will be 20980 minus the low of this candle. The low of that candle was 2928 even. Yeah, do the math. Do the math. That's 52 points, almost 53 points. So from here to here, well, you can even go to this low. This is a swing low. It's a low with two equal highs on the side. Well, two higher lows on the side. You know what I mean? This would be a swing. You could take it here if you would like, but like I said, I'm going to, this is what I do. Okay, I zoom out. So when I see that, this is what I'm thinking in the trade. Here's a pierce. I'm in with this candle. Now that I'm in, well, even before I'm in, I'm already looking to the left. So I just zoom out. I zoom out, 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 zoom, zoom, zoom. Here, lowest hanging fruit will be here. But I know that this is a session low, and price likes to retest those levels. So this was London low. So I was taking it to London low. So let's go back here. Price pierce, one tick below this candle, stop above it. You're in. Still going. Stop, wiggle up there. Still going. Still going. There you go. Target hit. Right before news, 9:55. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 minutes. No drawdown. 8 minutes, no drawdown. So let's see. So the London low is 2887 3/4. Your entry here would be the low is 20980 3/4 minus, let me put it on the screen. Come down. So I'm using this right here. This thing that says low, I'm using this. But on this candle, okay, so now look, it says 20981. But we're doing one tick below, so that'll be, let's put it here. So that'll be 2980 3/4. And we're going here to this London low. This is the London low number. Minus 20887 3/4. 93 points in 8 minutes. This is NQ, so times 20 per contract, 1860. I got a little bit of slippage, but 1860 in 8 minutes. So that's the type of trade I'm going to be going for. It's not going to all be that clean and that perfect, but today it just actually worked. And let's actually go look. See London low. I told you I like to retest it. These ads. I like to retest it. So okay, it came down. This is a news candle. We had news at 10. So this is a news candle here. Price came back up. Retested London low. Came back down. Try it again though. Try it again. Broke through and retested it again. Let's see where it went at. Didn't make it. Nope. I was thinking maybe it went back to the overnight open. It didn't quite reach it. Let's look back. No, it didn't quite reach it, but as you can see, it came back down here, retested again, came up. So the move this morning was actually here. It was this. And what do we say it was? 93 points. Yeah, 93. Yeah, 93 points. So that's what I will be documenting. I took that in the eval. I didn't take that in my funded account because I'm waiting for a payout to clear. Though with Apex you can trade. With Apex you can trade while your payout request is pending, but that'll kind of be crazy to do so. I wouldn't recommend it. Just imagine if you have a bad day or you hit tilde, just anything. Just wait for it to clear. Get your payout first, approve, and then let your balance update, and then continue to trade. So that's why I'm using a funded account. Not funded account.
Connection.
Anyway, I'm using a that's my Ninja. That's why I'm using a Apex account, evaluation account, and that's about to be funded also. So yeah, that's the video on what I'll be testing for all of March. And again, it don't set up every day. So on the days that don't set up, I'll figure out what I'm gonna do as far as documenting it. But that's good to see on the first day. It played out pretty good, clean, one and done. And that's what I like to do. That's what I like to do. One shot, one kill. Okay, so yes, overnight open. The trade was breaking retest of the overnight open down to the London low for 93 points. On NQ. No bias, and there's no bias needed really. There's no bias needed actually. With this, we're just looking for a acceptance of it or a rejection. So yeah, that's the video. I'll keep you guys updated one way or the other. Even if I have to go through like a full week of it, that may make sense to do like a full week if price never really engaged with overnight open. So I don't know, I just see. But I'll see you on the next video.